Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your limited Wi-Fi issue on your TCL Android TV. So if you have connected to the Wi-Fi and it is showing as limited, so how you can fix it. So let me show you how we can get there. So to navigate, you can go to the settings on the top right corner right here. From here on, you can simply go to the network and internet settings. So as you can see, currently my Wi-Fi shows connected, and if your Wi-Fi is showing limited right here, what you can simply do is you can check for your router. So the limited connection is 90% of the time it's because of your internet service provider issue from the back end, not the Android TV itself. So you should check on any of your other devices, your laptops, your mobile phone, if the Wi-Fi is working or not. So if the Wi-Fi is not working on your mobile devices or your laptops, then that means that your Wi-Fi or your ISP has so that means that the internet provider is not providing the internet and it has stopped for some reason, or you have a faulty fiber cable on your Wi-Fi. But if the internet is working on your mobile devices and laptop and it's just not working for your TCL Android TV, what you can simply do is you can click on it and you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the list and click forgot network. So if you click on the forget network, it is going to forget all of the settings of this internet connection, and then you can simply click on it and reconnect it by entering your password again. And then you can simply connect it and it should start working after connecting it again. So if it still does not work out, you can simply restart your TCL Android TV completely by unplugging the cord from the wall, and after that you should see if the Wi-Fi works. It should resolve your problem. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it resolved your problem.